Hello dear kids, welcome to English once again. And today we will learn about a and at. So let's start. This is the letter A and this is the word at. And its sound is a and at. Now let's see the sound a, at 10 times. A, at, 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 a, at. Now let's say some words that start with a. Apple, apple, ant, ant, alligator, alligator, astronaut, astronaut, apricot, apricot, arrow, arrow, aeroplane, aeroplane, ambulance, ambulance. Let's add at to the letters to make meaningful words. Mat, sat, hat, rat, chat, flat. And now it's clap time again. Apple, apple, ant, ant, alien, alien, eggs, eggs, ankle, ankle, arrow, arrow, astronaut, astronaut, as there are 3 sounds in astronaut. So we have clapped 3 times. Astronaut. And now it's practice time. Let's practice saying this sound again. A, at, a, at, a, at, a, at, a, at. And keep practicing the sound to learn and remember. Happy learning. Bye-bye.